Alright, all of these started actually a few months ago when I have first bought this Andobil Easy Fly MagSafe compatible phone grip. And after I have started using this product, I was like totally obsessed with this product, with this brand actually. And I have started checking what other products do they have. And as usual, I went ahead, bought these products. I have been using these products for a while now. So today I have this Andobil long gooseneck cup holder phone mount and Andobil phone mount for car cell phone holder. But before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Let's unwrap this Andobil long gooseneck cup holder phone mount. First, let's check what things we have got inside the box. I had to pay 31.99 US dollars on Amazon. I have left a link in the description box below. If you are interested, go ahead, check that link. I really like Andobil packaging. They always do simple packaging, but which is pretty attractive and environmental friendly. Inside the box, we have got this long gooseneck cup holder, the phone mount. There are 3 extra rubber pads. Definitely we'll talk about this later in this video. There is a welcome guide. They have also provided a card. On one side of the card, it says happy. If you want to share your real feelings, we have some suggestions for you. Like tell your friends and family, share your experience on Amazon, connect with us on andobil.com and Facebook. 18 months warranty, and there is a QR code which you can scan to join the VIP club. On the flip side of the card, it says not happy. We are always here with you. If you encounter any problem, please kindly connect with us to help you. There is a QR code to connect to the help center, and yeah, they have also provided an email address so that we can directly connect to the customer service. This is really cool. Andobil have also provided a very nice user manual with a lot of illustrations. Everything is described clearly, so you don't have to worry about how to use this one. Well, this is our gooseneck cup holder. This one is actually a aluminium alloy gooseneck, and this one is manufactured with military grade materials. This one provides a very stable, and yeah, definitely this is a very sturdy product. Well, here you can see we can change the height. We can also do 360-degree rotation. We can rotate the phone. We can rotate this gooseneck any way we want. Here comes the phone mount. This one is also built with premium materials, and I really like this. Look at this. It's really nice. I really like this mechanism that I can use this with only one finger. Yet this one is very sturdy and provides enough safety for our smartphone. Solid support frame and strong scratch-free claws to form a solid triangular support to ensure that our smartphone sits firmly in the car mount like a baby while we drive, and this actually protects us from any type of distraction. It's pretty solid. There is another thing I like, that depending on the phone size, we can actually adjust the height, and there is a nice cutout to use the charging port of any smartphone. Check this. All the smartphones fits perfectly well. It doesn't matter whether you are using an iPhone 12 mini or an iPhone 14 Pro Max. All the phones sits inside tightly and safely. So kudos to Andobil for making such a nice product. Now let's talk about this gooseneck. What you have to do is to just rotate this to expand the rubber pads. We can adjust the size of these rubber pads from 2.16 inch to 4.02 inch using these provided extra rubber pads. Here the provided extra rubber pads. So yeah, it's really easy to use, and this actually protects the cup holder of your car. I use this one with my bench, so yeah, at the beginning I was a bit worried. I was a bit skeptical whether these extended tabs will damage the cup holder of my car or not. But after I have started using this, I feel like yeah, this one provides peace of mind really, because we actually can adjust the size of these tabs by rotating this, and these extra rubber pads not only offers protection but also widens compatibility and offers better grip. Well, on top of this gooseneck there is a ball joint which also offers 360-degree rotation. So this is one of the most flexible car mount that I have ever used. We can rotate it in any way, in any direction as we want, and that means this Andobil cup holder phone mount offers the most possible convenience. We want this way, that way, this way, rotate it, put it down, and the most important thing is this one is very sturdy. Once the phone is inside, the phone is not going anywhere. And this aluminum built gooseneck is totally sturdy, offers stability. So I'm gonna give this one 10 out of 10 for build quality and 10 out of 10 for convenience. Well, let's check how do I use this one on my car.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life.
Let's check this Andobil phone mount for car's cell phone holder. I had to pay 27.95 US dollars on Amazon to buy this one. Well, these are the things that I have got inside the box. I'm not gonna go through this card because it's the same thing. Whether we are happy or unhappy, we have a lot of options. As I have already described about this card, so let's put it aside. This phone mount features a non-slip rubber pad and the claws are actually scratch-free, offers better grip. We can adjust the height, but one more time I need to mention what I like most about this phone mount is one button release. We can use this one using one hand without being distracted. Inside the box they have also provided a very good quality air conditioner vent mount. This one offers stability because this one comes with a very sturdy build quality, and definitely Andobil have manufactured this product with precision. They have thought about all different type of use case scenarios and it's truly pretty easy to use. It's really nice that Andobil have also provided a 3M dashboard pad. This one is pretty much necessary to put this phone holder on the dashboard. Finally, this is the phone holder which is built with premium quality materials, and definitely this is another premium product that Andobil offers with a budget price tag. This one comes with an adjustable arm so we can actually extend the arm size. This is pretty much necessary if you are going to use this one on the windshield. Another thing I like about this product is this 7.3-inch mechanical arm can be adjusted 270 degrees. Cool, right? This is really cool. Also, like that gooseneck cup holder car mount, this one comes with a ball joint or a ball head which offers 360-degree rotation. So yeah, one more time, we can rotate this one in any direction. We can use this one with utmost comfort and convenience.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Well, I have left both the links of these two products in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead, check the links. Please make a comment in the comment section and share your thoughts and ideas about these two products. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel.